Ever wondered how the this keyword works in JavaScript? Well, it's a fundamental concept that's crucial for understanding object-oriented programming and event handling in JavaScript. So buckle up as we dive into the intriguing world of the this keyword. The this keyword in JavaScript refers to the context in which a function is executed. But what does that mean exactly? Well, the value of this is determined dynamically at runtime and can vary depending on how a function is called. When you're in the global context, outside of any function or object, this points to the global object. For those using browsers, the global object is window. So if you log this to the console, you'll see that it's equivalent to window. Now, let's jump into a function. Inside a function, this can be a bit of a chameleon. Its value depends on how the function is called. If the function is called as a standalone function, this refers to the global object. But if you're in strict mode, it's going to be undefined. Things get more interesting when a function is called as a method of an object. In this case, this refers to the object that owns the method. So if you have an object with a method that logs this, it will output the object itself. Moving on to a constructor function, which is a function used with the new keyword to create objects. Inside such a function, this refers to the newly created instance. So if you create a new object using a constructor function, this within that function will refer to the new object. In event handlers, this typically refers to the element that triggered the event. So if you have a button with an on-click event that logs this, it will output the button element itself. But what if you want to explicitly set the value of this? Well, JavaScript provides methods like call, apply, and bind for that very purpose. These methods allow you to dictate what this should refer to, giving you more control over your code. To sum up, understanding the behavior of this is crucial for writing effective and maintainable JavaScript code. It's a dynamic and versatile keyword that adapts its value based on the context in which it's used. Whether you're working with object-oriented patterns, asynchronous programming, or event-driven applications, knowing how this behaves will surely give you a leg up. So keep exploring, keep coding, and remember, JavaScript is a journey, and this is a key part of it.